Today in this video we are diving into Windows 11's default setting. Straight out of the box, Windows 11 packed with features and settings turned on. While many of these are useful, however others can be quite the opposite, unnecessary and sometimes annoying. A prime example, the recommended section that greets you each time you open the start menu. It's something many of us could do without, preferring a clean and more streamlined interference. So in this video I will guide you through which setting to adjust or turn off to clean up your interference, boost your privacy and enhance overall Windows experience. So without any further ado, let's start the video with the first option where we will disable the recommended section under the start menu. Now to get rid of this clutter, first right click on the window button and go to setting. Here from the left hand side menu, select Personalization and under this click on Start. In here, turn off Show Recently Added Apps and Show Recommended Files in Start, Recent Files in File Explorer and Items in Jump List. Once done, again go to Start menu and you will find the recommended files and apps are now disappear. Also, if you want this list but wants more pinged app here, then again in the same setting page select the first option. This will shorten the recommended list and you can ping more personalized app here for your convenience. Now we are done with the setting. Also for more personalization, if you see here under start menu on the bottom bar, you have only one option to turn off your system. However, you can use the blank space to pin more Windows features. And for that again go to the setting page where we are already under start section. Under this go to the folder option. Now under this whatever you want you can pin in the start menu. Like here I want to ping setting, so I will select this. I also want downloads file to be handy, so I will select this as well. Then music and picture. You select as per your preference. Here I am done with my selection. So now I will close this window and click on the start menu. Again, now you can see here whatever we have selected in the folder option, all features are now reflected here. And the next step in optimizing Windows 11 is to disable these pesky notifications. And for that, first right click on Windows button and select setting. Navigate to system tab and then to notifications. Scroll down to bottom and click on additional settings. Here you will find the option get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Disable this to cut down on the interruptions. Once done, and as you scroll up, you will come across the notification from the app and the other sender sections. This area have all the application and services that sends you notifications. You can individually turn off notifications for app you do not need alert from. For example, I do not need notifications for Microsoft, Chrome, OneDrive and setup via phone. So I will disable these. After making all these adjustments, you will notice a significant reduction in the unnecessary and annoying notifications. Now let's dive into something important, and those are blocking ads which are tracking us everywhere and twiddling app permissions to keep our activity private. So first up, ad blocker, and for that first right click on the start menu icon and hit setting. Then scoot over to privacy and security. You will see this section called Windows permissions. Under this click on general. Now here you can see everything that's tracking you is turned on. Just switch them all off. And that's all. Now no personalized ad will stalk you online. Now let's move to the app permissions. You know how some apps ask to know where are you or might be wants to use your camera or microphone. Some of them make sense, right? But not every app needs to know your life story. So let's sort that out. And for that, stay in privacy and security. Scroll down till you find app permissions. This is where it gets real. You have got options like location, camera, microphone, you name it. Click on one and you will see all the apps that ask for the permission. Like for location, I saw a bunch of apps that I had given access to. WhatsApp wants my location. Do I really need to share my location to this app? No. So I will turn this off. But the weather app, I keep it on because I like knowing if I need an umbrella. And my Microsoft account does not need my location, so off it goes. If you are thinking I do not want any app knowing where I am, there is a switch for that. Hit it and all the apps are cut off from your location. And it is the same deal for microphone, camera and rest. Check who's got access and turn off the one that do not need to listen in or watch. It is all about what you are comfortable with. So make the changes as per your preference and keep your privacy intact. So that's all from this video. However, we have several other settings to change which will surely enhance your Windows 11 experience, which we will cover in our next video. If you want to know about any specific setting, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to cover in my next video. Also, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech videos. I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching.